Hey everybody, Tabitha here from Tabitha Explores, taking you on our next RV adventure together. So in this video, I am spending my last kind of full day in northwestern Arizona and in the Mojave Valley. And on this day, I chose to take you up to Boulder City and the Hoover Dam. Now, I have been to the Hoover Dam before. I visited there with a friend probably close to 20 years ago and enjoyed it then. So this time it was really kind of a reminisce as well as a stop into Boulder City. I found a great little museum in Boulder City, so I was able to look at some of the history of Boulder City and the dam, and then actually take you across the dam in the truck. So we do that as kind of the last, well, I guess, video into Nevada for a while. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. drive across? Does it meet back up, or do we have to turn around? I don't know. I don't remember when I did it before. It's quite a few years ago. Probably close to 20 years ago, actually. So, hard to say. Oh, wow. Look at that. Well, that'd be where the number 11 crosses. Wow, that is beautiful. Actually. Stunning. Very cool. Oh, look at this. Just beautiful. The architecture and nature meeting up. That's pretty cool. It's kind of crazy. Just parking set right into the wall. The canyon. And now we have people. I have a feeling it's going to take a bit to get across here. Well, that's okay. We'll do it together. Right? See about parking on the Arizona side, or maybe we just won't at all because, you know, this is fun too. I can't imagine how busy it is here in like more touristy times of the year. It is a Saturday. It's November 30th. It is a Saturday, so it is a busy day, I'm sure, for tourists, and it is a long weekend too, so I'm sure that's part of it as well. But at the same time, it is busier than I expected it to be at this time of year. I feel like at another time I need to do, I can see over there on my left, looks like a steamboat tour or something coming up to where the dam is, which could be fun. Very cool. $10 to park. Let's go with drive-through is good enough for me. It is 2 o'clock now. I want to park for like $10 and 5 minutes to take a couple of pictures. So doing, honey? Just stopping in the middle of the road. There we go. So apparently the road is closed to go out this side. So we have to go back over the dam to get back to the freeway and get out of here. So we get to go back over the Hoover Dam and we'll look at it from the other direction. We're so close to meeting back up with the highway there. I don't know why it's closed. That's okay. We'll deal. Go back through all the peoples. Go back through all the peoples.